miniature rescue videos are blowing up on Instagram Reels and TikTok, and it's easy to see why. They're emotional, exciting, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Whether it's a tiny animal, a miniature character, or an entire miniature world in danger, viewers can't help but stay and watch to see what happens next. The suspense keeps people hooked, while the rescue at the end delivers a satisfying payoff that makes these videos hard to stop watching. The numbers behind this trend are massive. This Instagram page posts these types of videos and has grown to over 500,000 followers, with some videos reaching millions of views. In fact, this particular video, which was posted just about a month ago, has already crossed 118 million views. The same thing is happening on TikTok, where channels posting similar content are consistently pulling in millions of views. But here's the best part. This niche is still wide open on YouTube. There aren't many creators doing it yet, which gives you a chance to get in early and build your presence before the competition catches up. So in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process for creating these miniature rescue videos from start to finish. You'll learn how to generate ideas, create miniature rescue scenes, and turn them into cinematic videos people love to watch. And to prove that this method works, here's a video I created myself using the exact process I'm about to teach you.
When a raging flood washed the bridge away, a mysterious giant hand appeared, helping the community turn ruin into a stronger future. Just when all seemed lost beneath the mountain, a mysterious giant hand appeared, turning hopelessness into hope. When flames threatened the village, a mysterious giant hand appeared, rescuing those in danger and helping turn fear into safety.
All right, let's get started. Step 1. Create your story. Idea and prompts. Everything starts with choosing a story that people will want to watch. The best miniature rescue stories create emotion, build suspense, and make viewers curious to see how the rescue ends. To make this easy, I've included a prompt document in the description. It contains 2 prompts. The first prompt generates story ideas, while the second creates all the image and video prompts you'll need. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate 20 miniature rescue story ideas, each with a problem, a giant helper, and an ending. Go through the ideas and choose the one you find most interesting. For this tutorial, I'll be using number 1, the Broken River Bridge. Next, copy the second prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the topic placeholder with your chosen story. ChatGPT will then generate a video title, a short story summary, and detailed prompts for every scene. If you want to create more videos later, simply repeat the same process with a new story idea. These prompts will be the foundation for the rest of the video creation process. Step 2. Generate your image. Now that your prompts are ready, it's time to create the images for your story. For this, I'll be using Render AI, an all-in-one AI platform that makes image and video creation fast and simple. I've added the link to Render AI in the description below. Once you're inside, click on Create Image to open the workspace. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for your scene, and paste it into Render's prompt box. Next, adjust your settings before generating. Render AI gives you access to different image models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Google Imagen 4, Flux.2 Pro, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using Seedream 4.5. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose how many images you want generated, the resolution, and then click Generate. Once the images are ready, go through them and select the one you like best. If your story has multiple scenes, or if you're creating multiple stories, simply repeat the same process for each scene until you have all the images you need for your video. Step 3. Generate your video. With your images ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Before we continue, if you're getting value from this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know whenever I upload more videos like this. In the Render AI workspace, go to the left-hand menu and click on Video to open the video generation section. Render AI gives you access to several powerful video models like Seedance, Grok Imagine Video, Sora 2, VEO3, Kling 2.6, Hailu, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using Kling 2.6. Once you've selected it, upload your scene image. Then, head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into Render AI's prompt box. Next, adjust the settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Leave the resolution on the default setting, set the duration to 10 seconds, and make sure audio is enabled. Once everything is set up, click Generate. In just a few moments, Render AI will transform your still image into a dynamic video clip, bringing the entire scene to life with realistic motion and animation. Preview the result and download the video when it's ready. That's it. If you're creating multiple scenes or stories, simply repeat the same process for each scene until all your video clips are complete. Step 4. Generating voiceover. Now that your videos are ready, it's time to add a voiceover. A voiceover helps tell the story more clearly, keeps viewers engaged, and makes the content feel more professional and engaging. For this, we'll use DubDub, an AI voice generator that converts text into natural-sounding narration with a variety of voices, accents, and speaking styles. Open DubDub and click on AI VoiceOver, text-to-speech, to access the workspace. Next, open a new ChatGPT chat and upload the generated video clip. Ask ChatGPT to create a brief voiceover script that summarizes the clip in about 10 seconds. Once the script is generated, review it and make any adjustments if needed. You can use the script as it is or shorten it to better fit your video. Then, copy the final version and paste it into DubDub's text box to generate the voiceover. Next, choose a voice that best fits your content. Male or female voices, different accents, and narration styles are all available. Preview a few options until you find the perfect match for your video.
Night, lonely stretch of New York, where we... Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Today is the day to remind yourself that
You can also adjust the speed or pitch if necessary, although the default settings usually work perfectly fine. Once you're satisfied, click Generate, listen to the final output.
A devastating flood destroyed the bridge, but through a teamwork and determination, the community rebuilt it stronger than before.
And export the audio file. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional quality voiceover ready for your video clip. Repeat the same process for the rest of your clips until all your scenes have voiceovers ready. Step 5. Edit everything into one video. Now that all your video clips and voiceovers are ready, the final step is to combine them into one complete short. For this, I'll use CapCut, but you can use any video editor you're comfortable with. Simply create a new project and import all the video clips and voiceovers. Arrange the video clips in the correct order. As you review the footage, trim out any unwanted sections and keep only the best parts. This helps maintain the pacing and keeps viewers engaged throughout the video. Next, place each voiceover directly beneath its corresponding video clip on the timeline, making sure the narration matches the scene being shown. Adjust the timing if needed so the voiceover and visuals stay in sync. If you'd like to make the story even more engaging, you can add background music at a low volume beneath the voiceovers. This can help build suspense during the rescue scenes and make the emotional moments more impactful without overpowering the narration. Once you're happy with the final edit, export the video in the highest quality available. And here's the final video. Just like that, your miniature rescue video is ready to publish. What's exciting about this niche is that it's still growing, especially on YouTube. And with Render AI, the entire process becomes much easier. From generating detailed images to turning them into cinematic videos, Render AI gives you everything you need to create professional-looking content without complicated editing or animation skills. Another great thing about Render AI is that it offers a 30% recurring affiliate program. This means you can place your affiliate link in your video descriptions and start earning commissions from referrals even before your channel gets monetized. Then, once monetization kicks in, it becomes an additional stream of income alongside your YouTube earnings. What makes Render AI stand out is the variety of powerful AI models available in one place, allowing creators to generate high-quality images and videos without switching between multiple platforms. This streamlined workflow makes content creation faster, easier, and more efficient, especially when producing story-driven videos with multiple scenes. If you're looking for a content niche with strong viral potential, this is a great time to get started. And before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful and want more AI content creation guides like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. You never know, the next tutorial might help you create your first viral video.